One of the things that I enjoy most about working with the National Collections here at St Fagans is when you discover something unusual and quirky in the storerooms. Here in the textile storeroom, we have rather one interesting and unusual object. Because it's a cool fridge-like storeroom, here we also have an uneaten Easter egg from the 1920s. So somebody in Bedwas obviously had a tremendous amount of self-control, because no Easter egg will survive the Easter period in my house. You can see nestling amongst the paper here is the egg in question, a bit mouldy around the top, but otherwise in relatively good condition. And on the back, we have further information about the producer, the weight and the cost. And then on the lid, this gorgeous little illustration of a child and a little chick there, and the details of the producer, Pascal's Easter egg.